Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. For making dabeli, we need mashed potatoes, dabeli paste, thin save, roasted peanuts, pomegranate, salt, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, oil, water. We also need bread, tamarind sauce. For making the tamarind sauce, you can click on the recipe I already posted earlier. Green sauce, and for making the green sauce, we need all these ingredients. Put all the ingredients into the blender. Make a smooth paste. Green sauce is ready. First pour the oil into the saucepan. Add the cumin seeds. Add the dabeli paste. Roast for 1 or 2 minutes. This dabeli paste easily you can get from the Indian stores. Add the mashed potatoes. Roast nicely 2 more minutes. Add the water. Mix nicely. Let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add salt, chili powder, coriander powder, and tamarind sauce. We have to cook again 5 to 7 minutes, but we have to keep stirring the paste, otherwise it will get burned. This is very famous dish of Gujarat, western side of India. This dabeli paste is enough for the 12 to 14 dabelis. Now our dabeli paste is ready. While dabeli paste is cooling down, we will toast all the bread first. Heat the pan. Pour 2 drops of oil. We don't need much oil for toasting the bread. Cut the bread from the middle. Now bread is ready. It is time to make the dabeli. First we have to spread the green sauce, then tamarind sauce, then spread 1 tablespoon dabeli paste on the bread. Put some pieces of roasted peanuts, pomegranates, and thin save. Now other part of the bread we are going to spread the green sauce as well as tamarind sauce. Now dabeli is ready.